That right there is a Ford Model T frame, or at least I think it is. Honestly, I'm not sure what that thing is, but it wasn't our job to know. Our job was to drive 1,500 miles round trip to pick that thing up from Farmington, New Mexico. A week prior, Jesse's brother-in-law offered us $1,000 to rent a trailer, buy the frame, and deliver it in his garage. We completed the mission in 3 days. This is our story. We've just obtained the trailer.
Yeah! No, that guy's got a trailer too, look at him.
Us too, guy. We're in Barstow.
About 2.5 hours in.
We have coffee, another coffee, 2 monsters.
And a third monster. Me.
We've arrived in Havasu.
I don't know whose house this is.
Good morning. We tried to hit 2 McDonald's, but both of them are closed.
This trip is sponsored by McDonald's. -2.
Given that we were on a time crunch and that we were running behind due to our McDonald's setback that morning, we decided to take a 5-hour detour to see the Grand Canyon.
Yeah, that was really good.
It's our parking job. It's not great. We're hoping no one will care. Hello.
They really said that, you gotta put a lot of weight in the front of the trailer so that you don't spin out. So I just put this little bit of snow in there, help with that a little bit. We know how to tow trailers.
With our detour behind us, we pressed on to New Mexico. At 5:30 p.m., we arrived at the house of maybe the only person who lives in Farmington, New Mexico, and picked up the frame.
We're going home.
This return trip proved to be difficult. We had 500 miles to cover, and the snowy conditions in our newly acquired cargo slowed us down. We didn't end up arriving in Havasu until 4 a.m., making it a full 24-hour day of driving. We're back in California. Left at like 7.
Just about 7:30.
And we're almost home. 3 hours.
How much longer we got, Caitlin?
An hour and 7 minutes. We're back in town.
The boys are back in town!
We gotta unload this bad boy.
It's gonna be really hard.
After a lot of struggling, a kind neighbor man came over to help us finish the job. Without him, we'd likely still be there unloading it to this day.
There she is.
After paying for the trailer rental, gas, and food, we each walked away with $233, a trip to the Grand Canyon, and the priceless memories made along the way. But mainly the money.
Yeet.
Yeet.